Hello, Governor. I'm recording at my friend's house, and my friend's house, he lives above somebody else's house. So, I have my cardboard tube. Yep, got my cardboard tube. So now we're gonna go on an adventure. That tree caused me to do it. Screw you, tree. My ankle. I just hit my ankle. I probably look like dumb. I'm all in the camera, but meh. Cardboard tube. Oh look at my shadow. It is so great. Help Papyrus. Oh look, a dog. I'll go say hi. Hi dog. How do you do? Yes! Bow to me, dog. Bow to me. Don't speak to your king like that. I don't trust the dog if he's like that tall to the fence. So I'm gonna go back up here. Okay, he's gone. Time to go back down. Yeah, I'm just waiting for my parents to come pick me up from my friend's house. Look, there's somebody's house. My friend lives right above them. Yeah. Oh look, there's the dog again. Hi dog. Hi Doge. Oh, look at that face. He's so lovely. That dog is so great. Hi tree. Prepare to be vanquished. You hangy thing, die. Oh, fighting wears me out so much. Hello, a black car. Hello, Mr. Black Car. How do you do? That's better. That's too zoomed in. It was too zoomed in. Too zoomed in, I tell you. I like some person's vehicle. It's cold out here. I have on my lovely Wolverine jacket. You know, the one where he has that dumb hood thing on? Yeah. I'm glad he didn't have that in the movies. He would look so dumb in the movies. Oh yeah, that's also weird. Wolverine's name is Logan. My name's Logan. Oh gosh, what was that? I'm like dying. This cold. It's so cold out here. I'm dying. Help a poor crippled kid. I was stuck in a tree shadow. It helped me. Help! I'm about to die. But let's go back up. Yeah, that neighbor was watching me. So yeah, I'm gonna go back up. Okay, my lovely viewers, there's a dog. Bark! Bark! Bark, bark! 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 Bark, bark! Bark, bark! 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 Bark, bark! 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 Up!